Hi, my name is Ahmed Chama. I wanted to present a new lesson how to export kinemaster video to SIM card. Before we begin this lesson, you have to install new application how to transfer in Play Store. I put in the link description. Click and then downloading. After go my device files and then create new folder. Type kinemaster. Kinemaster video export, then create. Okay, back, go new auto transfer application, click, then click sign plus, and then you write name or type name there. Kinemaster source folder and target folder. Source folder, click and then click to insert internal storage. Set your URL your kinemaster in kinemaster folder, expert folder, select it, and then go target folder, select SIM card folder, select your kinemaster folder created, kinemaster video export, click and then select it. You see first name kinemaster and then source folder, kinemaster export, and target send video is a target folder. On notification after the transfer. When you turn on your notification, and then you have to say save. And go your kinemaster. Click your kinemaster and then create a new project. Say this project and then you export. Say save. Hi, your export project. You see emulated kinemaster export. Then you go the folder you have created. You see on export. You have to export this and then subscribe my channel and join me Facebook engineer Ahmed Chama.